Mk2 out here. There's a lot going on at the workshop today. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And I have no idea what I'm getting into this one, but I'm on my way to the workshop now. I just need to check my oil. I was running the car super rich at Killarney and made adjustments through the course of the night, but I'm not sure if it contaminated the oil or anything, so I just need to go check that out. I'm fitting new plates today and I need to clean up my interior, but it's looking a bit messy over in that area, so I need to get that sorted out. And yeah, we'll see what else happens. So not much happened yesterday. I just cleaned up the interior a bit, connected up the exhaust on the car, and yeah, just chilled at the workshop for a bit, and then I went home. So not much to update. I'm currently on my way to the shred. There's a Sunday meetup happening there again. I'm gonna go through there, just chill for a bit. I think Andrew's there, but for the most part it should be a very laid back vibe. Just got here not too long ago. So this is Andrew's daily at the moment. He's enjoying it way too much. 3 liter flat 6. Sounds quite nice. Mk2 out here. Some nice cars, like this Anglia Porsche over there. It attracts some weird and wonderful cars, I must say. Looks quite nice. Mk2 is kind of cleanish, thankfully. Even though I wasn't planning on coming, I'm glad it's clean. I'm currently on my way to first performance. Matthew's putting his car on the dyno, and it's been a while. You guys might have seen the car if you've been following for a while. His car was on the dyno a good couple of months ago. But unfortunately he had a bit of a bad time on the dyno and car needed a lot of work. So he's finally back in action, and I really hope that it goes well this time. I don't know if I'll be showing figures, but just to hear the car make a noise on the dyno is always a treat. 16 valves on ITB is always a good time. Brent just had his car tuned. Not a happy camper, but it sounds really cool. That sounds so good. So Craig's just making external vernier adjustments, seeing what the engine wants, but it sounds healthy, making good power. Should be good at the robots. The sound, that's the good stuff. Up, that thing's screaming. Car survived. Good times. That is close. That is close.
What do you think?
Nah, it feels good. Sounds great.
Goes quite well actually. Just way too much pills.
Yes, so button clutch life. I'm on my way to get some fuel. I have 20 kilometers range and my fuel gauge is like, yeah, you should probably put fuel in. So I am driving with Matthew because he's got an engine close to where he lives. And if you guys were wondering where the other two Lenzos are, because I only have two in my car, this is where they are. I feel like they look better on the Mk2 though. What do you guys think? The wind is probably terrible. It's like really, really windy. Currently on my way to the workshop. I'm really hoping, well, I should be able to just quickly do an oil change, oil and filter, and then I should be good the next event is a week away, so not this week like I thought, but at least then the car will be ready. Yeah, I kind of just need to do a log to see what the fueling is doing, but other than that, should be good to go. There's a lot going on at the workshop today. But yeah, my oil is currently draining out. It was very black looking, so we'll see what the oil looks like. Hopefully it's clean, nothing funny happening in there. But yeah, Oz is doing some brake things today. So there's a lot happening. I don't know if I can show you this, but this is quite cool. So oil change done. It's the first time I've done an oil change on my car since it's been 20 miles. The guys at the workshop just did it all the time, so it took a bit longer than usual, but it sounds as it should. I just made a MacGyver with my power steering reservoir. It was dangling, so that's a bit better now. Car's so quiet with the exhaust on it. So I was actually checking how long it's been since I did an oil change on this car. It's been 8 months, which is quite crazy. So I was actually waiting to do an oil change because I was waiting for a turbo. I've been waiting for 2 months, maybe longer, and the plan was get the turbo, do an oil change with due. But I mean, I don't do a lot of mileage on the car, but I do a lot of hard mileage, so I should probably do an oil change a bit more frequently. But yeah, I've been slacking a bit on that department, but the oil looked well used, but wasn't too bad. I checked, I've got a magnetic sun plug. It looked fine, so nothing strange happening in the motor. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm quite excited about Matthew's car. We'll see what it does at Robot Racing in about 2 weeks time. Pop a drag in there, see where it's at. I'd like to see Andrew race it with the Jazz. I think that will be such a good run. Maybe I can convince Andrew to race him, or maybe I'll race him. But yeah, it should be nice. I think the Mk1 will take it because it's just quick off the line, but Andrew makes a little more power, so it might be a really good one. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.